At Grays of Ely, it's essential we are fully committed to maintaining the high standards that are expected of us by our customers. That's why it's so important to follow our cleaning procedures thoroughly. Now, before you begin, remember this little motto: when cleaning the coach, adopt a top-down approach. That rhymes as well, by the way. First of all, we start with the luggage racks. Check the luggage rack is free from rubbish and dirt. Clean the hard surfaces with the correct surface cleaner and close all overhead lockers. Moving on from there, it's down to the windows. Take out your glass cleaner spray, squeegee and clean cloth to thoroughly clean the windows, carefully removing any smears or greasy head marks from the inside. Finally, ensure the curtains are pulled to the open position with the fastener. Next, we move on to the seats. Thoroughly vacuum the seats with the brush attachment. Wipe down harder surfaces with your surface cleaner. Use your leather cleaner on the headrest. Attach your refuse bag to the armrest, if directed, making sure to tuck the bag into the rear seat pocket. This helps reduce any rubbish being dropped on the floor. Complete the task by fastening the seat belts. From there, let's move down to the passenger floor area. After removing any large litter items, it's dry mop first. Make sure you sweep under the radiators. Now it's time to vacuum the vehicle. The floor should be vacuumed along the aisle of the vehicle from rear to front. Then vacuum around the driver's area, not forgetting to wipe down the dashboard with the dashboard cleaner and a cloth. Complete vacuuming on the stairs of the coach and in the storage compartments. Head to the toilet area next. The toilet should be free from rubbish and spillages with all surfaces thoroughly wiped clean, and don't forget your gloves. Into the kitchen area for our final cleaning inside the vehicle. The hot drinks and snack area should be wiped down and the sink cleaned using limescale cleaner to remove any stains. Finally, for the interior, move on to the wet mop and cleaning the floor with the pre-mixed floor cleaner. Do this last so you don't leave any footprints behind. Time to drop the toilet. Being careful to position the coach over the chemical toilet disposal drop. Stand well clear after pulling the release catch to open the valve, and don't forget to close the valve once the process has been completed. Now head outside the coach where the water supplies need to be refilled with fresh water. And that's it. The coach is now ready again to deliver to the highest quality for Grays of Ely customers.